What's up, guys? It's Morgan at Lynchpin. I want to talk for mainly those that are looking for stocks long term. What would I be buying right now, especially if we're talking Roth IRA, long term dividend paying stocks? So I'm just going to do a quick video on those. So let's get over to FinViz. All right, super quick scan. I'm looking at large market cap stocks with a dividend yield over 5, and I want to show you this list. So full disclosure, I own shares of Verizon, AT&T, as well as Rio Tinto. So just keep that in mind. I think I do have some Altria in one of my portfolios, but essentially I like to look at this, especially in times of market upset. Now look at something like Verizon, the 6.5% dividend yield, AT&T at 5.7, Rio's at 8.7, a good performer. I personally think all three of these stocks are a good buy. I plan to continue buying and holding, especially in volatile times, simply because of the fact that they're such well-established companies. 5G is going to be big over the next couple of years, kind of like AI. If you haven't seen my AI video, please check that out. I'll put a link down in the description as well as in this video, but that's what I think the new IT sector is for the next 3 to 5 years. Again, I'm starting my own personal company that has to do with AI, and I just think that's where a lot of the money is going. I also think 5G is going to be rather lucrative. And if you see, FinViz is up to date, showing that earnings for Verizon are on Tuesday, Wednesday for AT&T. So that's a good opportunity to look at those stocks. I'm not saying invest in those. I'm just saying Verizon, AT&T, Rio Tinto top my list. But I mean, I'll add stocks like Altria, or a lot of these are asset managements or metals and mining, like Rio's metals and mining, as well as some oil companies. So you want to keep that in mind that, depending on what you think is going to happen macroeconomically. Anyways, those are what top my list in a volatile market. With the Fed doing what the Fed does, we're all grasping at straws. Nobody really knows what's going to happen. But what do you think is going to happen with the market? Do you think we're headed up now? Do you think it's bottomed out and we're good to go? Do you think it's going to go down further? Me personally, I tend to lean in the bearish camp a little bit, even though I'm naturally a bull. So I don't know, maybe I'm totally wrong, but I wanted to keep this video super concise, just point out that earnings are happening this week for Verizon and AT&T. Those are stocks that I happen to be buying myself, long-term Roth IRA, 401k, that type of stuff. So anyways, leave your comments down below. Thanks for stopping by. Hope to see you again real soon. Bye.